Hey guys, Kyle here from Capriotti's. Just wanted to go over our Easter takeout pickups with you. Got my cheat sheet because we got a lot going on. So it's going to be Friday, April 7th and Saturday, April 8th for pickups. We have a complete Easter dinner, which is complete for 6 guests, or we also have one that is for 15 to 20 guests. And you get your choice of baked ham with the pineapple and cherries, or roasted turkey. And again, that will feed up either the 15 to 20 or 6 people, depending on which package you select. And it comes with a whole bunch of different sides you can choose from mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, roasted potatoes. All your potatoes are covered. You got some penny pastas, your herb stuffing, tossed salad, macaroni salad, potato salad, corns, beans, carrots, all of that. And then we also have our pick 4, 6, or 10 bundles, where you have your option of picking whatever you like. They're placed in our half pans. So you could pick from meatballs, ham, turkey, sausage and peppers, sliced roast beef, stuffed chicken, and then your sides are there too, like your stuffings, your mac and cheese, our buffalo chicken pasta, your halushki. And again, that's the pick 4, 6, or 10. And then we also have options on half pans and full pans for chicken fingers and pierogies. As always, that's always the crowd favorite for any occasion you want. But just don't forget to give us a call and place your order pickups whenever you're ready to. And have a happy Easter, guys.